What's the meaning of carotene? Carotene. Carotene.
Carotene. Carotene. Carotene is a type of pigment that gives fruits and vegetables their bright orange or yellow color. It is a type of plant-based nutrient known as a carotenoid, which is converted by the body into vitamin A. Carotene has been associated with a range of health benefits, including reducing the risk of cancer, eye diseases, and heart disease. Consuming carotene-rich foods such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach can promote good health and overall well-being. However, excessive consumption of carotene supplements may lead to a condition called carotenemia, which causes the skin to turn yellow or orange.